Welcome back to the channel. How about a wheel swap? Let me get this open. Okay, that's better. Check it out. This is the very first one from 2013. You can see this one doesn't have the headlights. None of them have the tail lights. Pretty identical on the bottom. So this one is Malaysia and this one is Indonesia. Let's get this one open. Different orange. This one is darker, the Nissan. So how about we do a wheel swap here? Let me get my tools. Solid axle. These look more like the car from the movie. In the movie it had a five spoke gray rim. I'm gonna have to get my pliers. Right, let's try it from the other side. There you go. Gotta be careful. Sometimes these axles are the same length. So this means that one of the wheels might be, you see how it moves too much? That means one of the wheels is not perfect on the inside. Let me check. It's too big. Let me get a small drill bit. Right, so this is a 1mm drill bit. So that's all the way in. Try this one. This one is the problem. The hole is not deep enough. So we're just going to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, I think. Double check with this one. Yep. So that should be good enough. If you apply too much force without doing that, you end up breaking the rim on the other side. It's a common problem with these type of wheels. Not all of them are perfect. And check it out. Now you have less play and it looks a lot better. Check it out. Let me know what you think down below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. did the tail lights and the stoplight.